Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Chance picked the wrong weekend to be off because we're out here at the Swofford Career Center for this car show that we are extremely late for. We didn't get to register, so we're parked on the outside here. All the proceeds are going to go to the Swofford Scholarship Program. So we're going to go check out some cars and some food trucks. Let's go check this out. I like the two-tone interior. Carbon fiber backing.
Hello, it's $3 a piece.
Okay.
$3 per adult.
I've got two adults and one weirdo.
We're only going to charge you for the adults, no weirdo.
What do you have? Like, you have a YouTube channel?
Just a shade.
No. You have a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. Y'all just gonna film the cars?
Yeah, we got here too late to register, so.
14's your change. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Is that your YouTube channel on your shirt?
That it could have somebody's face put on a Hawaiian shirt. Yeah. And so I put it in, but I put, instead of somebody's face, I put in my logo.
And they did it.
Yeah. But
cool.
it was kind of weird because it was some Chinese company, and it, like, even the shipping was like coming from overseas, and so I didn't even get to see what it looked like until I got it. But weirdly, everything's reversed on this side of the shirt.
I was having a hard time, and I'm like, oh no, that's definitely his YouTube stuff. Y'all enjoy.
Is this a 55? See, I want to get a console like that for when we don't have 3 people in the car. I think they're like 150 or 175. This looks pretty good, Falcon Sprint. Even the trunk looks nice. The black with the red interior is cool. Look, Henley, it's Herbie. It's Herbie. Herbie the love bug. Kids these days just don't know. Last year of the chrome bumpers, which I didn't know. It's 1972. You gotta have the chrome bumpers. Except I don't know why the front one's not on.
That's definitely not for me.
It's not for you? You don't like Corvettes? Okay, the shift knob is a giant bullet. Oh, that's cute. Crocheted. Hi. Good looking car. Just the fender beads.
Have a car here?
Well, I got here too late to register, but it's right over there under the Swofford sign. The 50 Ford pickup.
Okay.
Yeah, we wanted. I didn't realize the show was today. I thought it was next weekend, because I couldn't get here on time. And then we get ready to leave the house, and there's a tree that fell in the road, so we had to turn around and take the long way out. Then I realized I needed gas before we got here, and then I found out you had to have cash, so I had to stop by the ATM. And then when we crossed over Lake Bowen, they had it down to like one lane for some truck that was in the road, and it was just like, this thing's going to be over with before we get here.
That's a shame.
So we parked outside. Well, we're here filming the event. I have a YouTube channel surrounding my truck, and the truck's name is Edna. So we're Adventures with Edna, and which is what's on my shirt here.
Okay.
And
One of us got his name.
yeah, I had a.
I thought you might have got it at Disney World.
Oh no! There was an ad that kept popping up on Facebook where you could have your face put on a Hawaiian shirt, and so I went to the website and just uploaded the logo for my channel, and so they sent it back with like this. So it was weird because it was some Chinese company, and so you don't even get to see a preview of it before you get it. So you basically buy it without seeing it, and then I had to, like, watching the traffic. It was like. Or the tracking, it was like seeing it come overseas and all that. But it came pretty quick. I think it only took 2 weeks to get it. This is actually my first time wearing it. I was afraid it was going to be too cold. You do crocheting? I saw the...
Yeah, I made this and the flag.
That's great. I like that.
Start at 1 o'clock in the multi-purpose room where you register. 1 o'clock for your awards program and the multi-purpose room where you register.
The Buick Roadmaster. I had to take took a test years ago. It said the perfect car for you, and that was what it said. The Buick Roadmaster. I was like, what? This looks pretty cool. I like these. When you see Blazers that are lowered, I want to see a Bronco like this.
Are those seats, Mama? The little one?
That's the baby seat.
Oh, that wasn't me. Yeah, Granny.
Look at the Cobra on the shift knob.
Awards program is starting about 1 o'clock in the multi-purpose room where you register. Once again, the awards
Buick 33. I like all the little doors as opposed to louvers. It's got a mini Corvette.
Mommy, I think that's what movie was called.
Instead of mini Edna, it's mini Vet.
Ooh, a blue
Here's Fred's car. We finally made it.
You did. Good deal.
After I got off the phone with you, everything that could have gone wrong went wrong.
Well, that normally happens.
We got out the door like 5 minutes after I hung up with you,
Yeah.
and we get about a quarter mile up the road, and there's a tree falling in the middle of the road. So we got out and tried to move it, but it was too big. And if I'd had more time, I might have tried to put a tow strap on it and see if I could have pulled it out of the road. But we had to turn around and go the long way off of our road.
Yeah.
And then I realized I needed gas. And then I had to stop by an ATM and get cash. And then we went, when we were crossing over Lake Bowen, they had it like down to one lane with a
Yeah,
with a
they're
flagger
trimming
guy.
trees.
Yeah.
So I went through that. Yeah.
Yeah, it was like what I didn't think. I was like, this show is going to be over with before we get here.
No, well, they're getting ready to do the judging. Well, the judging's done. They're going to start doing the awards and stuff. And have this meet at 1. But you need to take a look at all the trophies that the kids make.
Oh yeah, we'll have to check those out.
Because they do everything in-house here.
I did at least get good parking, even though I didn't get to enter. I'm right under the Wofford sign.
Oh, good deal.
So,
Okay.
so we started filming there, and we've made it from there to here. So we're still trying to look at all the cars.
Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you, the show brings in quite a number of cars, a lot of different varieties and everything else. So, but it's all put on by the students. It's a neat thing, and the money that they make from the show goes for scholarships for them to go on to tech schools.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, I didn't actually know where this place was. I figured it since it's Inman. I kind of was thinking like downtown Inman area.
Well, yeah, I did the first time I came out to the show, and I'm like, well, wait a minute, this is Boiling Springs. Well, it's not. It's just across.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been amazed every time we've come to the show, and like I said, it's just all the kids and everything that they do. We get ready to come in, and it's just loaded with students directing and getting everybody parked and organized.
Yeah.
They do a great job. So I'm glad you were able to come out for it.
Yeah. Well, it was funny because I had the weekend wrong, so I didn't get up till like 9:30 this morning.
Well, next weekend is that one that's
Yeah,
down by you.
I had it confused with that one.
Okay.
So when I saw I wouldn't have even known this was today if you hadn't tagged me and saying the show was still on.
Yeah.
And I got up and was like, oh crap, because I had another video that I was going to do, but I thought this would be better since I already said I was going to come anyway. So we just decided to do that or do this instead. And so we're here now. But I didn't have time to clean Edna. I thought the wheels would have looked fine. But when I was at the gas station, I realized the tailpipes were all white looking from driving through the rain.
Yeah, and a little bit dirty today because the roads were still wet. And
Yeah.
it was like, yeah, we just come in to have fun and talk and meet other people. And I had a friend that was planning on coming down from Elkin, North Carolina, and bringing his tea bucket down. He's at the train, and his tea bucket, he carries 10 gallons of fuel, and that's enough for 30 miles of driving.
Wow.
It's a big block Ford supercharged alcohol injected.
Oh, wow.
So it was like, yeah, from my house, it's 18 miles here. So we'd have to carry another 5 to 6 gallons of alcohol just to get to the show and get him home. So we were going to try. I had a friend that lives in Inman, and I got a hold of him. He was going to let us park over his place.
Yeah.
But the way it was looking, I just told Mark, and I says, no, I says, you don't want to chance it. It's going to take too much time for you to get down here.
Yeah.
Anyways, have fun looking at it.
Yeah. I'll see you around.
Okay, Chris.
That's a good looking Camaro here.
Good luck on it.
That one right there? It looks like what?
I can't see.
Oh, yeah.
I can't see. Now I can see.
Oh, this is cool.
Reminder, the Ford program.
38's got the beehive grill.
Oh, I didn't see that.
It's a beehive.
Not beehive.
They call that the beehive grill.
That's a chicken wing.
That's not a chicken wing. Did you make it this far down?
Hey, look, it's one of the cars that you have on your stand.
Which one?
That. Kind of looks like that.
The Mustang?
That red truck.
I don't have that one.
It kind of looks like it. I thought
That's a Chevrolet.
Isn't that supposed to be? Isn't that gonna be scraping against the floor?
Yeah. Bottom scrapes. It's funny with the baby seat in there. Even all the way on the ground, this is a big truck.
Get a new title, or you're gonna have to get a new title.
You're gonna get the torque thrust. I like the flat caps. They look cool versus getting the ones that are kind of bubbled out. Like see on the Mustang behind it, how it's got the bubbled out ones. I always thought the flat ones were kind of neat.
That light blue or baby blue?
Looks like baby blue.
So you're telling me you don't have this?
I think it's a 383 stroker.
That's the.
3100.
I can't.
Oh, that's kind of cool how the mirror is. See that right there? Gas cap. I see people doing those like on my truck where a lot of guys that want to get the cab out or the gas tank out of the cab, you can buy a 69 Mustang tank and it'll fit between the frame rails right there. But you lose your spare tire location. '77.
Oh, look at that car. That car. Without any seats.
Okay.
That car with seats.
Okay. Oh. Whole car. Here we go.
I think this is a '69 Riviera. '71. I was way off.
71.
I'd totally drive it. It says unrestored original. That's cool.
I don't like the color of the outside, but I like the color of the inside.
Floating grill is neat. Yeah?
That's fake rust.
That's fake rust?
Yeah, that's painted on.
How do you know?
Because it's too smooth.
That's not the real thing?
Yeah, that's not a real thing. After I see the car, or after I see the truck that you have, it actually has real rust. But that car doesn't have real rust.
I'll be happy with this car. Different wheels, maybe.
Look at the little thing. The little thing. So look,
What's that?
the little 126.
Yeah. I like the white chip ball. Oh, tragic. They call these trumpets.
What bits?
Except that one's missing some parts of it.
Oh, y'all got flavor. I also had a vodka. So you know where that's coming from. 14, I can fly.
I always thought these were kind of neat looking headrests, the way they kind of.
After I got out of high school, I volunteered.
Nomad.
Then you want to be in
This is the favorite car that I
that. Keep my mouth shut, you know. Yeah. I don't know which whiskey
This is my favorite car that I ever seen. But I like the other one that's over there.
The roof spoiler.
Is that the color honey?
I don't think that's. I don't think that's the color of honey.
It kind of looks like the color.
Yeah, it's been laid over.
There's 4 seats in that.
Hey, look, it's what the windows in Edna looked like when I first bought her.
Oh.
Every single window was cracked, except one. I just thought these Jeepsters were like ugly and cool at the same time. I wanted to buy this one that was for sale for a long time, but I never had the money for it. Shift knob's cool.
Have a spider on it.
59. Got the what?
I think we should try to run in and see the trophies since they're all made by the students here.
Boom. Yeah, I have to.
As frogs are going to jump and get you. Yeah, they are.
Those frogs are safe. Those frogs are the fakest.
We saw that was not much left of it at the junkyard. One I said was probably a 37. That's the gas cap I wanted to get for Edna. The V8 logo on it.
And it's a 71 Volvo. I think it's a Volvo. It was entry number 95.
All right, we decided to come back outside from the award ceremony because we've only seen like half the cars out here. So we wanted to make sure that we try to get as many of the cars in the video as possible. Transylvania Cruisers. Cruise Mobile. Matching wheels. A good looking 67 Camaro.
Where's the bread everywhere?
Bread.
There's bread everywhere.
Ducks.
Yeah, there's no water.
Black cherry.
Why do we never get cherry?
Is it? Yeah, it is. I thought it was black. Couldn't see it through my sunglasses. The rolls. That's pretty interesting. It's like a delivery wagon.
Yeah, fire.
It's a 52 Chevrolet delivery sedan.
You have that logo on the truck.
What logo?
Like that. You have that logo?
I have it written on the tailgate. Yes, it's a Volkswagen.
She said Roland did it. I said, oh, Roland was trying to call me.
Oh, look, it's on a slow turn.
Tell us, it's the people out on the truck. We have pictures.
Oh, he signed it.
And sign it.
Charger.
Yeah, we were saying.
That has a little sticker on it.
Scammed? Or scamp?
When we get to the park, can we put on food here?
What?
When we get to the truck, can we put on food?
I don't have air conditioning in the truck.
This one is. Go down the window.
What's that? Whoa. Can't believe I didn't notice that when I was walking by the first time.
Oh, kitty cat here.
Yes, a thrift master. I guess that means like if you were cheap when you bought it. No accessories. Thrift master.
And I can't see in there.
Firebird. I think I could be wrong on this, but I think I remember my dad saying that a Firebird has the bird, but if it has the flame coming out of its mouth, then it makes it a Trans Am. Cold air intake. Yeah, Henley. Is there?
This has clothes in it. Okay, never mind. This has old stuff.
8 tracks. Look, it's a purse, but it's a coffin. Clipper.
Didn't know either until right now that it's supposed to be something.
Has a finishing panel between the bumper and the bed. Nope. The award ceremony must be over with. Everybody's starting to book it out of here. Split bumper Camaro's cool. He got best paint job. Oops, I'm sorry. It looks cool because depending on where you're standing, the color looks different. It looks green in some angles and black in others. Challenger. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Adventures with Edna. We got here a little late. We had problems getting here. But we definitely saw some cool cars. We got a chance to check out some of the awards. But we didn't want to stay for the whole award show just because we wanted to make sure we got more of the cars in the video. Congratulations to all the winners. They had some great trophies. All of those were made by the students here at Swofford. Chance will be back for next week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.